Hello everyone, this is a robot using ESP32 which uses point-to-point serial Bluetooth connection. It consists just an ESP32, a motor driver, some power sources, some motors and wheels. I have also made a custom Android app to control it. This app consists a slider for controlling the speed of the robot, some commands for example going forward, backward, turning left and right, and an emergency stop. Other three commands are not used for this build. Well, I am not going to explain everything like the previous one this time because I believe you guys are pretty smart and you can get it easily. Just don't forget which pins are pretty risky to use on ESP32, like the strapping pins and ADC2 channels during running Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The guy with a Swiss accent has a good explanation regarding this. Let's jump into the programming part. I wrote a code using Bluetooth serial library to receive the data from the Android app and controlling the robot. You can check out the code and the Android app in the description box. And finally we are done. More and better contents are coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.